Man,
Hey, no, but I can get you right.
I took my bike, go get some motor work done, gave him the money, got it back in a fucking crate full of fucking pieces.
yeah.
Let that motherfucker go. Come on, man.
They say, yeah, man, Ox a beast, dude.
Beat his ass on site too, shit.
Man,
Hey, no, but I can get you right.
I heard you changed intakes.
Right.
I heard you changed intakes.
We got that intake.
You got that intake?
I took my bike, go get some motor work done, gave him the money, got it back in a fucking crate full of fucking pieces, bro. That shit ain't cool, bro.
Shit. Oh, okay.
It ain't yours. It ain't hers. It ain't none of your pocket. It's motherfucker's pocket.
Hey.
Beat his ass, nigga. Beat his motherfucker. Say, Chris, leave that shit alone, man.
Yeah.
Let that motherfucker go. Come on, man.
Juice on, y'all.
We're still waiting for you.
You ain't, oh, you still waiting for me? All right. I'm gonna have your ass on camera. Keep waiting.
ZL1 versus your car. What is it?
I'm gonna get the ZL1 versus the Mustang.
A chick for $5,000, a homegirl of mine. He took the motor and the money. Fuck that pussy. That's Katie's house. Don't want to rip out Katie, dog.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, sure. Oh, ZL1 to ZL1, y'all. How much? Where you at? How much? Oh, damn, I need to go over there. Hey, Ike, I need to buy some of that Gorilla breast milk you be drinking, man.
Follow easing up.
I want some of that shit, man. Go on, send me some of that shit, man. God damn. Give us some odds. Why you ain't give me no odds? I told your ass. Damn, he cut on too late, man. All right, here it comes, right?
Man, that last race, I didn't even have my nitro wasn't even armed, bro.
You ain't hit the button?
When I hit the trend, when I raced trend.
Oh, man, you can't, you gotta remember this time. I'm gonna remind you this time, man. Let's see what this fuel pressure at. 5 and a half. Oh, yeah, he at 5 now. Oh, Lordy, he finna juicy.
Damn right, that bitch got out there.
Yeah.
That's what my money was at.
Give me a little bottle of that shit out the refrigerator, man. Don't mess with the act, man. You got that. Alright, I knew you were finna get swirly. What you think about that?
Crack it.
Yeah, I'm trying to go with you. You ain't invite me or nothing. There's some room in here. Let's go, man. Let's go. much you want for it. It ain't got there, girl. Oh, okay. Still got a good motor in it. Hey, you don't want this Savage title?
That's just a piece of paper.
Yeah, yeah.
Ain't damn bitch gon' buck.
Damn
bitch gon' buck. All them bitches bow down now.
Yeah.
Bow down. What you tell them, Quinn?
Well, I need a solution.
Just get that nigga ass on side of me and see, goddamn.
Yeah.
Boom, Charge race.
Oh, shit.
Come on, son, what you want?
Oh, you finna give her a ride. Man, y'all ain't even invite me to get in it, man. That's your nephew?
Hey, hey.
Yeah, that's what he gave me, counting that self.
Yeah, I'm asking you.
Where y'all at, man? That's a good one, man. Oh, he got a Holly. I got a bet with him now. What's up with it, man?
First night out.
Man, where you one day? Yeah, that's him right here.
Right there.
Yeah, we got Terry Hogg in the RS7. Oh, versus the Tesla, y'all.
Watch this.
Ooh, this little thing got something. Bet 20.
Bet 20.
Hey, this got something, man. Bet.
Watch that Tesla go.
Oh, this thing bogging, man.
Watch this. Watch this.
Started on 10-pound spring. We added a spring to it, so it's probably 17.
Okay.
Drum brakes all the way around.
Regular tires over here. He got slicks over here. He got cams and slicks versus a Hellcat. I'll bet 40 on that. That's a bet. We're gonna see if you want to bet. That's a bet. I want the Hellcat. Red light don't count down that way. I just learned something. Over here on this way, you gotta say red light, no race. Alabama is in the building. Hey, I want to mix all three of them, man. I want a nice, good drink. Everybody want to order some of that damn milk, man. We trying to give us a number. I'm a little too, man. Look at my little ass arm. You exercise 6 days a week? Well, yeah, they on here talking about the milk probably come in a needle. If I had mine like that, they'd be like, that's a swole Chris Brown or something. Flex, I have me a shirt like that. Broccoli and everything.
Oh, you eat everything. You ain't allergic, are you?
I ain't allergic. I'm gonna do half of